what are your long-term prospects on NFTs? Do you think those are going to be a big deal for companies, big deal for creators, no deal? Where do you land on this topic?
Man, I think there's a lot of people out there that are going to say NFTs are the future. I'm not going to say I disagree, but I think it's got a long ways to go. Like, I think we're just kind of hitting kind of the tip of the iceberg of what it could be. You know, again, it kind of falls very much in line with the contracts and, you know, blockchain and kind of all these back office things that not a lot of people are talking about. They're just kind of looking at, you know, the face value of piece of art, which, you know, again, like, I think there's eventually a lot of value. I will just, you know, tell your listeners I've not invested in NFTs. It's not because I don't want to, it's because I'm not educated enough to do so. And so, you know, I just think that it will definitely be a part of what's to come and what currently is, for sure. But I think it's going to take some learnings and kind of understanding of the marketplace and how specifically brands adapt to that. So yeah, it's interesting. It's an interesting topic. And I think, you know, you look at kind of the crypto environment, you know, which is, you know, kind of on the decline, or I shouldn't say kind of, but is on the decline. And so, you know, I'm not going to say it's going to follow suit, but I will say that it's one of those potential bubble situations, I think, especially with how things are kind of going now.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here, we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.